Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. Today I'm just going to do a short video on the work in progress of this small 20 by 20 centimeter diamond painting that I bought it in 2016 and I did not start till 2018. And I did start a couple of weeks ago and then took a break from it and did not do it because I was working on that diamond dots painting as I wanted to complete it first. But then I did come back to this one before starting any other new projects. And guess what, guys? I was going to go ahead and do I was going to go ahead and do a time-lapse video for this, but I don't know what happened, and somehow the video got corrupted and I could not have it transferred to my computer, and it kept saying that the video was corrupted and the file was not working properly. And I was like, okay, never mind, let me just go ahead and do a work in progress video since I had already almost done 1/3 of it. So here I am, almost at 1/3 of the project. I'm working on this little section right here, and I'm opening the cover paper as and when I go up. I'm not ripping it apart because sometimes I leave it open and my son decides that he's going to touch all the gems on it, so I'm just going to leave it covered rather than ripping it apart. So I'm leaving this protective cover on, and yeah, I've caught a cold from my husband and I'm kind of mad at him because he gave me his cold, so I'm sounding all down, but hey, that's okay. As long as I can still do my work, I'm okay with it. So yeah, this is what it is right here. The only problem I have with this kit is, if you can see right here, a lot of the drills have holes in them, and they are not not as good quality as I do find in some of the kits that I have purchased recently. And it kind of breaks my heart that my painting is not going to come out as good as it's supposed to be because the drills are not perfectly okay. Also, there's not a lot of extra, so I can't skip the ones that have holes in them. I'm trying my best to not to use them, but I feel like I have to keep using those because when I look at the bottle, like right here, for $3.18, although it might not be much, but it's only this much they gave me, and I really don't know how much I needed because I cannot see right here. I might be able to open it and glance it, but still I don't know how much of this color drill I will need it. So I'm not really that impressed, but I feel because it was bought back when diamond painting had just started and it was not on that much of a boom yet, I feel that's the reason why the quality is not as good as these days, as nowadays they have a lot of competition and a lot of new sellers are coming out with beautiful designs that they have to be in competition, and they have to keep up with the quality of the product. So yeah, this is what I'm working on currently. Let me know what you guys are working on, or which project are you guys working on currently in the comments below. Also leave me in the comments below if you want me to buy a particular kit from a particular seller and test it out for you guys. I will gladly do it for you guys. Just let me know in the comments and I will definitely purchase that kit. There's nothing else today, just a little short update on what I am working on and how much I have done with this project. So yeah, let me know how you like this short videos that I keep posting too. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment, like I mentioned. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to stay in the loop of all the new videos that I post. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.